I am now live. We will see how this works. I'm gonna play music. Oh crap, I can't hear it. You're right, I need to get ad block on this. Can I do that in incognito? Of course not. Alright, let me try something. And I gotta sync my headset back up to my computer. That might also take a minute. Oh wow, that concurrent viewer count dropped so fast. Now it just rose back up again? Jeez. Okay, so I should be able to hear it now. Oh yeah. I didn't realize the music was playing. You know what, it's fine. We'll get ads every once in a while, but I guess that's okay. So I need to work on the tag system. Okay, so show you what I have now, I guess. I'm trying to release before Christmas, but it probably won't happen. As much as I want it to, I have too much other stuff going on. But I randomly generate these, by the way, just to fill the list. You can sort them. Guys, 1 win. I need to make that change. I might as well just do that now. Syntax, right? What was I doing? Yes, okay. So... yeah. Oh man, I didn't put a space. There. Oh, this is 10 minutes? I didn't want an extended one. Oof. Dang it. All of these are extended. Alright, new plan. That's 3 minutes, that'll work. Another ad. Oh boy. Oh yeah, I gotta mute this game audio. It's gonna be annoying. Wow, okay. It works better in incognito mode because then I only get Pokemon results. So... Of course I can't test it. Does anyone have 1 loss? Great, alright, I'm gonna restart it. Get new results. Three. Ugh. Okay, well, so now that I have that working, I wanted to make the customizing part of it, which might take a while. So we'll see how this goes. The idea is that, let's see, so this is the viewer. Actually, that needs to be up there. the idea is that you can, when you don't have a tag selected over here, it'll let you change yours. So I gotta get that working, basically. So this is gonna be the editor, and I gotta figure out how I can do this. So I'm thinking probably don't need a scroll bar probably. And that can take up the entire screen. There, okay. And then I just gotta delete the buttons and then give it a title instead. By the way, how's the audio balance? Like, is the music too loud or anything? It still does. Yeah. I'm still working on it. It's not done yet. It means you can go and play it, but it's probably not, or I mean, it's obviously not done, so. Right now I wanted to get the tag from there, put it in here. Now the idea is to, that's too big. New plan. And then that needs to be 0.5 and then 0.05, 0.075, and then 0.50. Okay. So now this should be the player's tag. I'm gonna make this scale-based instead. Okay. So I should say level 0. What do you mean I'm so good at this? What's that supposed to mean? Is the stream broken? No, never mind. Okay. Well. So now that this is in here, I need to make it so that I have properties to edit. Oh, I'm good at UIs. I misread that. Thank you. Okay. I mean, I'm hoping a couple thousand at least. I need to make at least some money. I want to quit my job and just do this full time. But I probably won't be able to do that for quite a while. As much as it would be great to do that, I just can't. Because I'm making 0 money off of Roblox. I haven't made any money off of Roblox in, oh, it must be at least 10 months. People aren't really playing Fusion Fighters anymore, so that's fun. Actually, copy, paste into there. Okay. So, Zinnia. Haven't heard this one in a while. If a popular YouTuber plays it, it'll get a ton of people, yeah. Or do you mean Fusion Fighters? Because if it's Fusion Fighters, I don't want a YouTuber to play it. Because it's pretty broken. And it's not fixable. It's just not possible. I can't do it. Everything I've tried hasn't worked, so I just gave up. You know... Never mind. Alright, so... I need to have different levels of customization. Here, wait, actually, let me try... I have a circle image, right? Oh yeah, I'm using it for the background, duh. Okay, so... Close that, open preview, open the label, and then I want to paste that into there, and then put this on a higher layer. It can be 2. So I want to be able to let's see. This will be how you change your icon. Although, maybe I shouldn't call it that because it's gonna cost money to do that. Because you'll be able to change it to a decal if you want. And I want to charge people for that. Okay. What does this look like with an image on it? That's the question. Oh, I'm still in incognito, right? Okay. Let me do it on this side. I need to get a decal, basically, to test this. So I'm gonna go onto the website and find something. Just to test it. Maybe best selling? No. Most favorited. That looks like it's most favorited. Jeez. There's lots of baldy stuff in here. Ugh. It should not be on this platform. It's illegal. Literally. Oh my gosh, all of it. What on earth are these people uploading? Wow, okay. Come on. Is there not a good image in here? Really? That'll be fine, I guess. I just have to find the... Actually, no, I don't. So what does this look like without this on? It's not dark enough. That's what I needed to test. It's also not big enough. Oh, that's why. Man, YouTube ads, go away, please. Jeez. I need to figure out... Here, let me try to get ad blocker into incognito. I think I can do that. I just need to look at it. Extensions... Ad block... No? Or is that an option within settings? It's not per plugin. Okay. thought it was possible to do that. Interesting. Oh, come on. Crap. Alright, well, I guess I'll just monitor it on a normal one. So, let me find music. I'll just have to do it manually. Yeah. Oh, Data Store 2? What do you mean? Is that like a plugin that somebody released? I kind of use my own data store solution. That looks better. So the idea is you'll hover over it to change your icon. And I'll figure out how to make a menu for that. It's the only image I could find that wasn't, like, terrible, I guess. Like, the rest of them were just, like, baldy images. I was looking for a meme, but this is... It's okay. Oh, this is extended. Oh, crap. Let me find, actually, that one's good. Already 5 minutes into it. Clearly I've listened to it before. Okay, so now I need to add in the customization options down there. Okay, so how do I want to do this? So you're gonna be able to customize, here I have an idea. So down in this frame, I'm gonna paste that. It needs to be 3rd wide, and then no, not that. This. Okay, now that's not exactly what I was doing. What I was actually going to do is... Wait, this has a back on it? Oh. Well... You know, how about I just delete that? There we go. Okay. And then this frame is... Oh, that needs to be a -2. That explains that. Okay. Yeah, is the music too loud? Please tell me if it is. Because I can change that. Okay. So now I copy the... Oh no, it's here. So copy this, paste it in here, and then let me see if... Oh, actually, yeah, never mind. I do need that. This needs to be 1, and then -4, and then -4, 1. Centered. Is that right? No. No, it is not. Okay, so new plan is just take away from it until it works. Okay, so this one actually needs to be at just 2, so that it's centered on the right side. Oh, that's not good. Is this thing centered correctly? Yeah. I'm not a fan of that. There we go, that's better. Okay. So now, this is gonna be the... Ooh, actually. Oof. Here. I missed something. So I need to... copy this. Now I copy it. Paste it in here. I'm gonna make it a little bigger. Okay. So then this thing needs to be shorter, basically. Is that right? No, this needs to be -2. There. Okay, so then this needs to be at the bottom -4. And then 1. And then make it the same size. There, okay, good. So you should be able to change the color, basically. So, say, I think I'm going to do loot boxes for it. And they're going to be super cheap, like Fusion Fighters, probably. I don't know. I guess probably just because... I don't know. It seems like something I could do without it feeling scummy. Like, having just a giant list of stuff is just not good for this kind of thing. Especially when the main background, and so there's 3 different parts, right? So you can change the main background, the background of the image, I guess if it's transparent. So like if you had just your profile icon, the background would be transparent. And then the color of the EXP bar. So I need to figure that out, basically. The way I should probably set this up is... Okay, so what I'm thinking is probably a frame with an image behind it. Well, I wonder if I should, that wouldn't be good. Let me try something real quick. So if I make this... Oh, no. That's not good. Of course. What? Crap. I need UI padding. I already have UI padding. On the left. About from the right. More. The other one didn't work like that. Whatever. Okay, so now if I just need to make it so that the proportions are correct. I'm gonna move on from this song. It's been 7 minutes. National Park's pretty good, if I remember correctly. So So aspect ratio constraint, and then aspect ratio 4. Oh, actually, yeah, I can just do a UI list layout. It doesn't matter. Okay, cool. What stuff do I still need to add? Almost everything. So probably the shop, all the purchases with the shop, maps. I want to redo sword combat. This. Leaderboards. Probably something else that I'm not thinking of right now. Maybe Twitter codes that'll go with the shop. I could probably do that super easily. I've done Twitter codes before, it's not hard. Well, I've done codes using data stores, not actually reading from Twitter, because reading from Twitter is actually surprisingly difficult. Like, it's just not worth it. Okay, so what I actually need is this frame, specifically these. Paste that in, and then make background transparent. Okay. So that's the idea. Basically, say you get like a red one, it would just be like changing the color. I don't want to do this actually. So probably, I mean, just as an example, I'm sure it's fine. I mean, I'm going to delete it after because it's not going to work like this, but so this needs to be at 192. Something like that. And then it would just kind of be a list of them. Although there needs to be padding between the objects as well. There we go. But yeah, basically... Wait, I can move it while editing now? That's nice. I didn't know that. Cool. Yeah, just like a giant list of them that you can pick from. I need to make a timeline of all the stuff I need to do. That's what my old boss would have wanted me to do. Oh. Oh, no, man. I did need that to be like that. Okay, so... Next song. That one's pretty good. And then I would need to do something similar for the rest of them, I guess. How many of these can be visible at a time? That's pretty okay, I guess. Like 5.5, a little less than 5.5. Sure. I need to add a button in here. And then... Just use a text button. Ooh, actually, if I use a text button, I can do... This probably won't work as well as I want it to, because it has to be the entire width of the button. But... Actually, if I make it there. Oh, but that also defeats the point. Okay, yeah. That's just gonna have to be cleared. What was that? What the heck? Did you guys hear that? Oops. Feel free to keep talking in the chat, guys. Give me ideas and stuff. I'm open to feedback. Let's just change that to selected. There. Maybe a little bigger than that. There. Let's turn the music down a bit more. It's too loud. Your Cynthia's theme. Sure. Alright, so now that I have that, I probably need to... So this is main background. And this is going to be at 0.5. And it's going to be... We have 2. Okay. This might be a little bit wrong. Actually, it's going to be a lot wrong, but I don't think I have an option. Maybe I could just not make it a square and just keep the tag shape. That should be okay, right? Do you think? I'll just keep the pill shape, actually. Yeah, that should be fine. And then... Yeah, I have a plan. I think. Maybe. Give me a minute. And then it's gonna be at 1 minus 2, and then size minus 1, and then at 1, and this one is going to be EXP bar. Just listen to this one. Sure, Mario and Luigi music, let's do it. You guys still there? Okay, so how does that look? Do you think? Actually, the EXP bar one needs to be the actual color of the EXP bar, which it is not right now. So that would be preview, level, fill, container, that. So that's the back one. And then, oops, there we go, okay. There, like that. So that would be basically what the current is. Man, I'm sure liking this chat silence. Come on, guys, speak up. Give opinions. I would appreciate feedback. Okay, actually, something I did isn't working here. Why not? Oh, I see. Okay. So this should be -4, and then these should each be -2, maybe? No. That side has more on it than the other side. Okay. Well, there's no way to solve that. Really? It's consistent? Oh, jeez. That's bad. There. Okay, that filled it. Kinda. Not really. Didn't work quite as I intended it to. Okay, so... Actually, if I just have them all be -3, that should work for me, I think. Not. Maybe not. It's still messed up. Why? Ugh. Okay, so these are... Oh, that's bad. Okay. Oh, that's why. Of course. There, that's better. Okay. Probably shouldn't be streaming this. Oh well. Gym leader battle. And then I'm pretty sure I need the lower one to be called options as well. Oh, by the way, in case you're wondering, if you noticed that this design for the UI doesn't look like the rest of the game, it's because it's more based on the design of a new editor system that I'm working on. Oh no, I always develop alone. I'd love to have people help me, but most of the time either no one wants to, or I just feel like I should do it all myself anyway. I've always really developed alone. Like when I worked at Roblox making Fusion Fighters is 100% me. I didn't hire anyone or have anyone on my team. It was just me making that game. Everything in it. The only thing that I hired someone else to do was the logo. I even made the trailer myself. I had to learn how to use After Effects. A lot of the time it's a pain. Actually, all of the time it's a pain. Just doing everything yourself. First of all, it's annoying. And second of all, it just gets really, like, I lose motivation, and then, like, in a team, you'd have people to help you keep working, where by myself, I just don't have that. It can be a bit of a curse sometimes, but, you know, it is what it is, I guess. Now, it's already... I guess I'll do that, it's fine. Yeah, I don't know, I just developed alone. What did I just do? Nothing. Good. So yeah, this is going well, I think. The idea is when you hover over this, it'll open that picture. Ooh, actually, that's gonna be a pain. Let me. Let me rename these. Plus, usually I just don't find anyone that I want to work with either. I'm really selective. Okay, so how long have I been doing this for? 40 minutes. This is all I've done in 40 minutes. Ouch. Okay. So I guess I should probably get it to function now. Huh. I guess I'm fast. I mean, I know other people do it faster, but I'm a perfectionist, so I take extra time trying to make everything look perfect. So that always makes it slow down, but apart from that, yeah, I guess. I wish I were a little faster so that this wouldn't stress me out before Christmas, but whatever. This is a real pain. It's awful. Trying to get this to work. It's never going to be ready by Christmas. As much as I would love it to be ready by Christmas, I just don't think it will be. Because I have a ton of homework to do, and I have actual work to do, like I have a job. It's just difficult now. A lot more difficult than it used to be. And even then, like, I wasn't necessarily... If I tried doing this, like, a few years ago, I wouldn't even be close. Like, I've gotten a lot faster at developing recently. Well, not recently, just a bunch over time, over the past, like, 4 years that I've been doing this, but... Yeah, I guess. So I need to... I don't want to do this. So now that I have that working, I could probably... probably make it so you can select stuff now. Like tags to view. Crap. Or not. So I'm gonna need a button to edit my tag. It's 0.1, so I thought, okay. So I need this to be, I want to say, about halfway down. Like that maybe. And then gotta have a label in there at -4 with a height of 1 and a size of 1.25 at 0.51. And then that transparent, and then this needs to actually be twice the size. Actually, no matter what I do, it's not gonna look right, so I'll just So how have your guys' days been so far? Good? Hopefully. The idea is that there. So now the player should be able to, or mostly what I was doing is just adding the button in. I still think that looks better. Okay, let's just get this a little further away and then center this down a little bit more, like maybe 625. No. 0.55? 525. That's probably fine. We've been on this song for a while. Let me skip to another one. This one's good. I used this in a Scratch game a really long time ago. Call them both label, it's fine. So I might leave, like stop streaming after it's been an hour since I started, which is in about 10 minutes from now. So just an hour-long stream. Yeah. Let me You know, actually, I wonder if, could I, or do I have enough space to put this at the bottom? I do. You know what? I might do that. Maybe make the editor text smaller, like to match. How's that? Yeah, that's fine. And then what I'll do is I'll just make it skinnier so that it fits within the area I want it to be in, like that. And then recenter it a little bit, like maybe like that. Too far. A little bit too far. Maybe like 5.5. That should be okay, maybe. Maybe more, like 6.5. How's that? Nah, just sit. Or actually, no, that's good. Let's do that. There. And then I guess I could make this smaller as well to match there. Actually, how big are the labels in here? Let's see. They are 0.75. Alright, that matches then. And this is, yeah, okay, that makes sense. So now I don't need to get rid of those slots. I can just have that down there. It'll always be visible. Okay, actually, here, let me, so if I open the editor again, I need to add a way for the player to get out of editing it. So what I'll do is have this text like that, and have it get longer so that it's more centered. Like that, maybe. And then, here, actually, here, how about this instead? So in here, in the filter, I have it so that the buttons are the same size, right? So the idea now is to cancel changes. That'd be a little longer so the text is full size. And then have this be like a red, probably like red 8080. Sure. And then that would be cancel. And then the other one would be on the other side. So we need to save changes. This needs to be longer now. Not that long. Cuts into the text, jeez. There. I'd like that to be shorter, but I guess that's the best I can do for now. So now the idea is to get a less saturated green color. Ew, no. It's gonna be blue. That looks better. I still think the text is a little hard to read. Maybe I should, that's deeper? I guess that's a little deeper. It doesn't look that different though. Probably the best way to do this is to, no. I'm just gonna make the outline on the text darker. There we go. Okay, maybe bold the text. like more than it is now. Can I make it like smaller that way? Maybe I can shrink these a little bit. Yes, there we go. Okay, that seems more reasonable, I think. Oh, cereal before milk. Though the bowl is last. Let's put the bowl on top of the mess I just made. Yeah, that's a good idea. This should be good. I like this one. I never heard the breakdancing variant though, that's new. Okay, so now that I have this, what do you mean? What dungeon? I didn't like ban you from anything, did I? I don't think so. I hope I didn't. You're in the timeout corner. That's where you're gonna stay. Forever. Is this a, This isn't modified? Okay. Well, how am I supposed to help with that? I can't do that. Dude, you have no idea how hard it is to make an interface like this work on mobile. It's like almost impossible. For like the editor, it's just so hard. There's a reason why there isn't like 3D modeling software on mobile devices. It's because the UI doesn't work. It's too complicated. Alright, it's almost been an hour. I'm gonna end it in about a minute, I think. And then I'll just work on my own, maybe find someone else to talk to. I don't know. I just don't know if I want to stream in anymore. Dude, Xbox is even harder. You can forget about Xbox. That's never happening. Ever. Mobile might happen if I figure out a good way to do it. Xbox is not happening. Well, I'm gonna end the stream in 10 seconds, so I guess I will see you guys later. I mean, you can keep talking in the chat if you want to talk to me. I'm just gonna stop the stream. See ya.